Hello viewers, this is Sneha NP. You're watching Learn with Sneha NP. Today's new word is peregrinate. I repeat, peregrinate. The meaning of peregrinate is to travel and wander from place to place. So let's get into today's video. World Migratory Bird Day will be celebrated every year on October 10th worldwide. This day raises awareness about protecting migratory birds and their habitats. Migratory birds such as Arctic tern, great grey owl and waxwing travel approximately 16,000 miles. This day aims to draw attention of the threats faced by migratory birds, especially by human activities. Not only migratory birds, we should also save as many birds as we can. These birds fly to find the best habitats for feeding, breeding, and raising the young ones. So, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Do not pollute, save migratory birds. Thanks for watching.